6 common weather idioms, meaning and examples. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling unwell or sick. Example, I won't be able to come to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Weather the storm. Meaning, to endure a difficult or challenging situation. Despite the setbacks, we managed to weather the storm and complete the project on time. Rain or shine. Meaning, regardless of the weather conditions. The concert will take place, rain or shine, so make sure to bring your umbrella just in case. A ray of sunshine. Meaning, someone or something that brings happiness or hope. Example, after a long and tiring day, her smile was like a ray of sunshine. Breeze through. Meaning, to complete something easily or effortlessly. Example, with her exceptional skills, she breezed through the exam and got the highest score in the class. Make hay while the sun shines. To take advantage of favorable conditions. Example, the market is booming right now, so it's a good time to invest. We need to make hay while the sun shines.